2LQ.
G'day guys, VK2LQ, and a recent project I've been working on. A little mounting stand for my Geochron Atlas 2B. Because these are air cooled, they do get a bit warm. So I've drawn a support stand in Tinkercad. I'm learning Tinkercad, and it's come along quite well. So that's the support stand I've made. It suits a 40 by 40 by 10 mil USB powered fan. I've got Atlas 4K on the back. There's the 40 by 40 mil fan. I thought it was quite weak, but it actually does blow quite a bit of air across there. So just a couple of self-tapping screws there to hold it snugly in place, and my call sign on the front there. It's printed in PETG at about I think it was about 20% infill, so it's quite a solid little unit. And this is a faulty Geochron unit, but as you can see, that'll sit in the front there, and the air will blow across into the back to keep it cool. So the air's forced through here, and it'll hit it back and blow it across the back to just help keep the unit a bit cooler. I could always expand it and put a bigger fan in if I want, but I think with the air that's getting pulled across that, you could really feel that there. So I think that'll do the job. And I'm looking at maybe offering the file for sale, probably for about $10 or $12 Australian, so people can who have a Geochron will be able to print this themselves. So and have a little fan. Now these fans I bought off Amazon. I think there was 6 fans for about $20 Australian. So there you go. And I've actually made this about 40 mil wide. So if you wanted to get a 40 by 40 and maybe 20 or 30 mil depth fan, that'll quite easily accommodate. But I think that's quite big, and big enough to keep the unit sufficiently cool, and sits in there nice and snug, and all ready to go. Thanks for watching. This is the Geochron USB fan support for the Atlas 2B. 73 is all, and take care until next time. Cheers for now.